Actually, sir, ano ito pangatlo na po. So after a series of discussions and amendments have been made, so siguro the council deemed it is justified yung taxes po dito or clearances po na nakalagay po dito sa ordinance. Yun lang, Mr. Chair, yun po yung aming request. And since the collection or the payment of taxes for 2025 is in full swing, this should remarkably help us in the collection of the updated revenue. Kasi po kami po, hindi naman po kami kasi yung commercialized na barangay, more on residential po. So, the approval of this revenue ordinance would significantly increase the revenue for the whole year of 2025. Kasi last year po, we were not able to collect taxes on barangay facilities like the multipurpose gym, nation, kasi ginagawa po yun. So, wala po kami na-collect. So, ngayon lang po kami babawi, pero subject also to the reasonable and justified revenues to be collected. So, po. Yun lang po.
Mr. Chair, yes, I would like to ask the Secretariat if the said barangay was able to comply with the requirements as per the suggestion, comments, and recommendation of the committee last December 11.
As per recommendation on December 11, 2024, and in reference thereto, as reviewed by the Secretariat, the Sangguniang Barangay had faithfully complied with. However, I suggest that the committee consider the item concrete pouring or mixing under the city ordinance. The charge is only 300 pesos, but they are charging 2,000 pesos per ton.
And this was already amended or retained pa rin yung
retained po kasi sir, with reference to Barangay Toxic Ordinance, a series of 2011, 2018, that has been consistently placed there at wala naman po kaming relating na reklamo, except that yung wala naman po kasali na pag-construct yun po ng ng mga residence or condominium. So, wala po kaming experience na reklamo po tungkol sa charges kasi sabi naman nila po, malaki naman na ginagastos namin dito as 10 million, what is 2,000 sa poem po. Pero that has been consistently placed there ever since.
Okay. Na one per item na ba dati na-review to? Okay. So, where's your secretary? Yung treasurer nyo? Secretary tsaka... treasurer po. Wala po.
Pero indispose po siya ngayon, attorney, kasi
indisposed?
May epidemic po kami ng flu, di ba? Po. So, hindi po siya naka-report.
The reason why I'm asking, kasi the moment kasi na ma-approve natin to, I would like to ask kayo na lang po, Sekretaryo kay Kagawad, ang nakalagay po kasi dito sa inyong ordinance ay yung Group A 1,000, Group B 2,000, 3,000. Ano po? Do you have a copy? Kagawad? Okay. Say for example dito sa Group A, new business po siya. Magkano po sisingilin sa kanya? 1,000. Tama. Okay. Halimbawa, nag-renew na siya. Sabihin, next year, halimbawa, nag-apply ulit siya ng renewal ng barangay clearance niya. Magkano po ang inyong sisingilin? 1,000 pa rin. Ganun din kayo? Kaya pala hindi lumalaki yung income niya. No?
Mr. Chair, in accordance to Section 5, taxes in stores, pag nakabit mo siya ng 50,000 or not exceeding 50,000, 1% of such gross. So, computing this additional 500.
So how much?
So, pag renewal na po,
Oh,
1.5.
yun ang sinasabi ko.
Opo.
Which the other mga barangay treasurer, hindi nila alam po ito. Kaya ang problema nila, bakit di daw lumalaki yung kanilang
1.5 po.
revenues? Kasi binigyan na nga kayo ng karapatan para magkuhan bakit hindi nyo sinisingil ng additional pag nagre-renew? They still stick on the, di ba?
Yes, po.
Ayan, so, okay. Thank you very much po.
We proposed that during the last meeting po. You were the one also.
Kaya nga po, for the information ng other barangays, ano po. Okay. So, with that, Mr. Chair, I hope that we finally recommend for the approval of Barangay Revenue Ordinance of Barangay Rojas.
So there's a motion for the approval of Revenue Ordinance number 002, series of 2024 of Barangay Rojas.
Second.
Duly seconded. Said Barangay Ordinance is hereby passed in review.
Wow, no.
Thank you, Barangay Rojas.
Pwede na kayo maningil ngayon.
Actually,
Naniningil na kayo.
naniningil na po kami kasi ang ano po last time kasi na problema is pinaka-categorize nyo po. Then we have already complied with the 1% na po nasabi nyo. And the 300 being raised by the Pastora. Pastora. Was already addressed po. So thank you very much, Secretary.
Nakalagay ba? Yan yung sinabi ko. Okay na.
Okay na po yan, sir.
Ah.
Okay na po yan, sir. Hindi na babago. Okay, isa lang po sa inyo?
Isa lang po.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Congratulations po.